PDF report and ask it to analyze the content. You can even upload handwritten notes and get them converted into digital text. Amazing, right? Want to write code? That's easy too. Just give the instruction and ChatGPT will generate the code for you. Articles, essays, stories, creative ads, anything you need ready in seconds. For example, create an ad for a soap company. Look, the script is ready in no time. Here's an interesting fact. After its launch, ChatGPT became so popular that within just 5 days, it has over 1 million users. And in the first 2 months, the number reached a whopping 100 millions. Incredible, isn't it? Many powerful AI technologies help make ChatGPT what it is. It uses large language models, including GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 Turbo, which help it respond just like a human. Speech to text AI allows it to convert spoken questions into written text. Image recognition AI allows it to analyze uploaded images or documents. And of course, technologies like machine learning and natural language processing are the core